Hello everybody, this is a quick video on how you can get XP fast in Rise of Nations. I'm currently recording this on a VIP server, not a VIP, a public, so this is just really quick. Alright, so countries like Germany does not exist right now, oh well. I'll pick one, let's see, who's this? China. So, China, even though it might take a lot of XP to do it, that's a lot, and this is the highest one, if I remember correctly. But, however, you don't gain a lot. 0.11 isn't really a lot compared to, like, Cook Islands. 2.5, that's a whole lot. So, it's basically the smaller and the less significant of a nation, the more XP you are going to get. And that's why I might not have a whole lot of XP, because majority of the time I've ever played this game, I play nations like Germany, France, Italy, Spain, UK, Russia, China, America, India. They don't, now they're really fun, but they don't give you a lot. So if you want to grind for XP, I recommend playing small nations. And just look at this. Basically, the higher the number, the more XP you're going to get over time. Alright, thank you for watching.